People ask, if I have a choice between a Clack water softener and a Fleck water softener, which one should I buy? We've sold both. We've tried both. I've had both in my house, and we always seem to choose the Fleck. The backwash isn't as loud as the Clack. Parts are more available. Online service is more available. Tech support is more available, and it's an extremely reliable valve. I call it the blue-collar valve. It gets up, goes to work, doesn't complain, and gets the job done. People ask, what's the difference between a Clack WS1 valve and the Fleck 5600 SXT? They're both digital. They both backwash based on water usage. They're pretty close as far as performance. We just seem to like the Fleck a little bit better. People ask, what is the reason you recommend Fleck the most, and why do you choose to put it in every home? We found that it's more reliable. Again, parts are readily available. Tech support is good. The main thing is it's the most reliable valve we've ever used, and we've been a dealer for different companies over the past 30 years. People ask, when is the Clack WS1 valve a better choice? I don't really think it's a better choice at all. It's a good valve. It's a solid valve. But again, when you buy a water system, you want to make sure you have good company support. And Fleck is owned by a huge company. They have great tech support. They have parts readily available, while Clack is a smaller family-owned company. People ask, is the Clack or the Fleck more reliable than the other? Is one more reliable than the other? Yeah, we found in our testing and installations over the years that Fleck is the more reliable of the two. People ask, does either one handle iron water better or hard water better than the other? They both do a good job. We just seem to side with Fleck more often than we do with Clack. People ask, am I actually getting more if I buy a Clack than buy a Fleck? And no, you're not getting any more. I mean, you might pay more for a Clack than you do with Fleck, because Fleck is a very large company. It's owned by, its parent company is a very large company, and they can manufacture more at one time and charge the dealer less. Clack is a small family-owned company, and they may have issues with manufacturing where they can't keep up with the manufacturing level that Fleck can, and they have to charge more for their valve. People ask, which one is easier to service or work on myself? The Fleck is definitely easier to work on, and parts are more readily available. And people ask, after 32 years in the business, what valve do you have in your house? And I have the Fleck 5600 SXT, just like you see here, this exact system. If you want to contact us, we're available Monday through Sunday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can text me directly at 443-277-2204 or call 1-800-460-5810 or use our online chat at www.midatlanticwater.net.